Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to My Health. I'm Binera, and today we're about to uncover the secrets of a little fruit that might just be the hidden superhero of your diet, figs. Ever wondered if there's a tiny, overlooked superfood that could transform your health? Well, you're in for a treat. Stick around until the end because what I'm about to share might just change the way you look at figs forever. First things first, what makes figs so special? Well, they're not just a sweet treat, they're packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. Let's jump into the top benefits. Rich in nutrients. Figs are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with vitamins and minerals. They're a great source of fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins like B6. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting various bodily functions, from heart health to digestion. Heart health. Speaking of hearts, let's talk about how figs can benefit your cardiovascular system. The potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Plus, figs contain natural compounds that support overall heart health. It's like a little love potion for your cardiovascular system. Digestive friend. Figs are fantastic for your digestive system. The high fiber content aids in smooth digestion, preventing constipation. If you struggle with keeping things moving, including figs in your diet might be just what your digestive system needs. Antioxidant Boost. These little wonders are also packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in your body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. So, adding figs to your diet can be like giving your body a mini detox. Managing weight. If you're looking to maintain a healthy weight, figs can be your secret weapon. The fiber in figs helps you feel full for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. It's a tasty and smart addition to your weight management journey. And there you have it, the fantastic benefits of including figs in your diet. From supporting your heart to aiding digestion, these little fruits are a nutritional powerhouse. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more health tips. I'm Binera, signing off from My Health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.